Hello friends, in this video we will try to solve this type of linear equations. In previous videos we have solved linear equations with substitution method and elimination method, but these two equations cannot be solved directly by those methods. So let's see how to solve these methods. So we can write equation 1 as 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. We can say it as 1a, and equation 2 can be written as 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. This we can call 2a. So if we assume that p is equal to 1 by root x and q is equal to 1 by root y, and put the values of 1 by root x and 1 by root y in these two equations, then we can get 2 into p plus 3 into q is equal to 2. We can call this as 1b, and this one will get 4 into p minus 9 into q is equal to minus 1. This we can call 2b. So we have to solve these equations. So first of all we have to make coefficients equal of any variable. So if we multiply this equation 1b with 2, then it we will get 4p here, and this is 4p. So we will multiply equation 1b by 2 and subtract from 2b. So we will write 2b here. 2b is 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1, and after multiplying 1b with 2 we will get 4p plus 6q is equal to 4. So when we subtract, all the sign changes. So this is plus, it will become minus. This one is plus, it will become minus. This is plus, it will become minus. So 4p minus 4p is equal to 0, and minus 9 and 6, minus 9 and minus 6 is equal to minus 15q is equal to minus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So we will get q is equal to minus 5 by minus 15. So minus minus will become plus. So q will become 1 by 3. Now if we put value of q in equation 2 1b, then we will get, we have got q is equal to 1 by 3. If we put value of q into equation 1b, then 2p plus 3 into q, we can put 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So we will get 2, we will get 2p plus 1 is equal to 2. So we can write 2p is equal to 2 minus 1. So 2p is equal to 1. We can write p is equal to 1 by 2. So we got p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have assumed that p is equal to 1 by root x. So 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. So we have to solve these two equations in form of x and y, because x and y are actual variables, p and q are only assumptions. So we have to get value of x and y. So 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. So root x will be 2. So x will be 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. So we got x is equal to 4, and q is equal to 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. So root y will become, cross multiple, root y into 1 is equal to 3 into 1. Root y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. So we will get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. This is the solution, answer of the this pair of equations. Solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Let us take another example. So we have another pair of equations, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Let us assume this equation number 3 and this one equation number 4. So if we divide equation number 3 by xy, and divide this also by xy. So we will get 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6, and we will get this one 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. This is equation 3a, this is equation 3 4a. Okay, so if we put 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q in this equation, then we will get this is 6 into 1 by y plus 3 into 1 by x is equal to 6. So we can write it as 6 into q plus 3 into p is equal to 6, and this one is 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x is equal to 5. So we can write it as 2 into q plus 4 into p is equal to 5. Okay, now if we multiply this equation by 3, so we will subtract this equation number, suppose 4b, and this is 4a. So we will multiply 4b by 3 and subtract it from 4a. So we will get 2 into 3 is equal to 6q plus 4 into 3 is equal to 12p is equal to 15. Okay, 4b into 3. So we have done equation 4a minus 3 into 4b. This is the operation we have done. So after subtracting, we will get all the signs will be negative, and 6q minus 6q is equal to 0. 3p minus 12p is equal to minus 9p is equal to minus 9. Minus 15 plus 6 is equal to minus 9. So p is equal to, we will get minus 9 by minus 9, 1. Now put the value of p in equation 4b. We can put this value in any equation, 4 or 5. So we put the value of p in 4b. We will get 2q plus 4 into 1 is equal to 5. So we can write 2q is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we will get q is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have p is equal to 1 by x is equal to, p is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Now q is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by y. We have given q is equal to 1 by y here. So if we put value of q is equal to 1 by y, then 1 by y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. You can cross multiply, y into 1 is equal to 2 into 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of these two equations. Okay, I hope you understand. Let us take another example. This is equation 5 and 6. So to solve these two equations, suppose 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 3, only 3x plus y is enough. 3x plus y is equal to p, and q is equal to 3x minus y. So if we assume q is equal to 1 by 3x minus y and p is equal to 1 by 3x plus y, then it will be easy. So we will put the value of p in and q in equation 5 and 6. So from equation 5, 1 by 3x plus y we assume p plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. Q is equal to 3 by 4. This is equation 5a, and 1 by 2 and 1 by 3x plus y is p. So 1 by 2 into p minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y is q. Q is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is 6a. From here we can multiply this equation by 2 so that we can get full whole numbers for p and q. So if we multiply equation 6 by 2, we will get p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is equation 6b, suppose. So if we add equation 5a and 6b, then this is p plus p is equal to 2p, p plus p, 2p, and q minus q is equal to 0. I will get 0 here, plus 0 is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So we will get 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, we will get 4, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So we have got 2p is equal to 1 by 2. So 2p is equal to 1 by 2, so p will be 1 by 4. Now put the value of p in equation 6b. So p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. So if we put value of p here, 1 by 4 minus q is equal to minus 1 by 4. From here we get q is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So we have got p is equal to 1 by 4 and q is equal to 1 by 2. From here we can see that value of p is 1 by 3x plus y. So we will get 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. So we will get 3x plus y cross multiple. 1 into 3x plus y is equal to 4 into 1. This is suppose equation number 7. And q is equal to 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So we will get 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 8. So we again got pair of linear equations. So if we add equation 7 and 8, then we will get 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x plus y minus y is equal to 0 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we got 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Now put the value of x in equation number 7. 3x plus y is equal to 4. So put x is equal to 1. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So we got 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we have got solution of the pair of these two linear equations as x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So we have solved three different type of linear equations. Hope you understand the basics of solving these equations. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like and subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Thank you.